It's your girl. I'm back. As you can see, as the title says, trying to get ready with these kids. Oh my God. Am I the only one who go through this when it's time to, like, you know, get yourself together, you know, make yourself feel good, you know what I'm saying? But this is what I go through every time I'm trying to do my makeup. Here's my little one. He's coming. So I have to end this really, really fast because he will start tripping on you, okay? So if you like to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Am I using this? No, I'm not using this pencil. Here. Oh, long top. Papa, no, please. Wait, where's the thing I gave you, Papa? Here you go, Papa.
It's your birthday, it's your birthday, it's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday.
From July to August.
Yeah.
So I am just doing a light brow. And I am taking MAC's spike pencil and just kind of outlining my brow I already have. Yeah, babe.
I don't want no spike pencil.
Yeah, you don't need a spike pencil. A natural blend. You know, because you don't want to spend... Yo, Pop. I feel like my little one wants everything that he can't have. He wants all the good stuff. Oh my God. So my
Mommy, what are you doing?
a video.
Right?
So my dog actually got into some some broken highlighter. I'm trying to think what highlighter it was. It was a gold highlighter. Can you back up, please? Thank you.
No.
It was a gold highlighter. Go ahead. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, there we go.
Bye-bye, guys.
She got into it, and she was pooping out. Her poop was gold, like sparkling and everything. You want to make a video? All right, you can make a video. You want to brush, Papa? See, he always want to brush. This is what I go through. You know what I'm saying? If my little one not asleep, here. There you go. Ooh, it feel good? He's like, it feel good, Papa? No, Papa! Go get that one, Papa! I'm gonna go in with my Can't Stop or Won't Stop primer by NYX. I actually love this primer and the foundation. I feel like it's really, really good for super oily people. Like I'm super oily, so I'm just gonna pat all of that in. I'm super oily, so to like really find something that works for me is like a match made in heaven. Seriously. Pretend I'm gonna use this brush here. Look, I pretend I'm using this brush so he could want it, because they don't want it if you're not using it. You know what I'm saying? Here you go, Baba. Look, Baba. Oh, he's still doing on the floor. Jesus. So I'm gonna go in with my NW40 from MAC Cosmetics, the waterproof one. I feel like this is a classic. You can never go wrong with that. And I'm just gonna add just a little, like a half a pump of my foundation just to bring the color down just a little bit, because I want it to be like really, really natural. And I'll be using the Born This Way Too Faced foundation, Spice Bomb. Oh my God, have y'all been watching Stranger Things. Have y'all seen it? Oh my god, I'm like into it. Well, I'm finished now, so I was into it. I was into it. Like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh, I like this. The only thing I hate is like watching, when it's good, watching those episodes, it's like, it's time consuming. Because each episode, I think, was like an hour. And like watching it, by it being so good, like I couldn't stop watching it. And I couldn't stop watching it. And I'd be up to like 4 o'clock in the morning, y'all. No cap. 4 o'clock in the morning trying to get it done. And I think I was done all 3 episodes in, I think, either 3 or 4 days. Cleaned up my brows a little bit. And now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So I'm just gonna put like a dab here, dab there, dab there, boom, boom. I really love this foundation, but like when I'm in the sun, it makes it like I be so oily. Like even with the milk primer, like I love that primer. Dude, this would probably be so hard for me to do a video. Hashawn, no! That's my MAC brush. Like, what are you doing? That brush is like $40. I'm just trying to cover up these dark circles. The power of concealer, like. And with this, with the MAC Pro Longwear, it dries matte, so you can actually use that as a base as well. So I'm just gonna take that, just put it all over my eye. Since we're doing quick makeup, when you have crying babies and you're trying to get out the house, but you want to be Polish, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna set under my oil with my Sasha Buttercup.
Oh, I like that color.
You like this Juvia's palette?
Yeah.
It's a lot of pretty bright colors.
Get the pink one.
You want me to use the pink one?
Yeah, get the pink
Alright, I'll
one.
use the pink one. Okay. Let me just put this on here first, okay?
I can't. Wait a second.
What? A lid.
Oh, sorry. Look at the pink one.
I love Juvia's place.
Get the pink one, Mom.
All Juvia's palettes.
Get the pink one.
I'm using this color right here, and this is I am, babe. This is the masquerade palette. I'm trying to hurry up before Papa comes. So I'm gonna go into that pink one y'all saw, cause Hashawn says so. Hope this looks right.
Yeah, see?
Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's
You about to make this into a whole bold look that I didn't want. But we're gonna do it because you said so, okay?
Get the purple one. Can I get the purple one? You gonna get the purple one?
You want me to use the purple too?
Yeah. Use the brown one, use the purple one, use the green one, and use this one, and use
Oh, no. We'll do that some other time.
Can I do this one?
I used that one already. We're gonna go into the brown one, okay?
Really?
Yep.
Brown one?
We're gonna do the brown one first. Next time I'll let you pick the colors, okay? Alright? I promise.
Really? Don't.
Can you move? Go play with your toys. Where's your airplane at?
It's upstairs.
Why you take it upstairs?
I don't know.
Taking my just shadow flat brush and just patting that on, patting the color on.
It don't give me out. You is nice, Mom. That's nice.
That's nice. Oh, thanks, babe. Second color that I put on the lid, it was this one. So my first one, I had used this one. Then I used this one. Hashawn had suggested this one. So I put that one on there too. Yes, you did.
Yes, I did.
So I think I'm gonna leave it at that because this is supposed to be like a short, quick go-to. I'm going out type of look.
Mom, what are I gonna do?
What?
What you want me to do?
What?
What you want me to do?
I don't want you to do anything. So I'm gonna go on with my foundation brush and go into Born This Way.
I want the colors.
Okay, I got you. Just give me a second, okay? So I'm gonna go into Born This Way by Too Faced foundation in a spice room. So I have the foundation, the liquid foundation, spice rum on. Then I'm about to set it with the spice rum. It even comes with a sponge that you could use. So I'm feeling it. I think the price point is $37. So we're just gonna set the face. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. Don't do that. Get out of here, yo. Just go away. Like, what is wrong with y'all kids? So now I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance dark palette
Whoa.
with this color here.
That is nice, Mom. That is nice.
Thanks, babe.
I like that.
Ooh, I put too much on the brush.
All the colors. We're gonna be whoa.
I just carved that out.
Whoa. That is stuff. Do you do that? Do you do it? That is so cool.
Thanks, babe. Just kind of do a little bit of the forehead because my 5 heads like boob, you know what I'm saying? So using the same palette, I'm going to do my highlight with this as well. Using this color here. I'm just going to take that on my finger. And just go across. Just added some of this color here from the Juvia's Place. Just as a little blush. It's like a little pop, you know what I'm saying? A little pop, lock. So let's go in with some mascara. Born This Way. Better Than Sex mascara is everywhere.
Mommy, can I play with colors? Orange. Wait. I like pink, and I like blue, and I like green, and then I like purple too.
I love purple. That's mommy's favorite color. I also like burnt orange.
I want to use colors.
Alright, we're going to get some crayons.
Crayons?
Mm-hmm.
But I want to use your colors.
No, we're going to use your colors. Okay, so now that my mascara is on, I'm just going to go with this look here. And just add some lip gloss. I'm going to go in with my NYX Cosmo. I love NYX glosses. Oh, they're so freaking pretty. They're so freaking pretty, y'all. And it smooths, it moisturizes your lips. They're very inexpensive They're like I think $5. I had got a lot when they went on sale. I think they were like $2.50. They had went on sale, and so yeah. You gotta get yourself some, girl. Get yourself some, girl. Get yourself some. I'm gonna make you a video, baby. Okay, guys, so here is the final look. Something simple every day. If I just wanna, you know, get a little glam, get a little polish, you know, have a little color. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next video.
Bye.
So please, if you, all right, go ahead, bye-bye. If,
Don't share now.